What is
Yes.
your proposal in watching these line items of the budget?
So, maybe we can tackle it in two ways now. First is the substance and second is the process. In terms of substance of the budget, we agree, very critical pa rin naman ang infrastructure spending. Very important part ito to implement our development plan. So we're not saying na i-zero ang infrastructure. What we're saying is infrastructure projects should be planned based on scientific planning, based on nature-based solutions, no, based on a transparent master plan. So yun yung keyword, yung master plan. No? I think lumalabas na ito sa mga hearing na during the time of Secretary Babe Singson, no, we noticed in the data kasi maliit yung insertions nung panahong yon from 2010 to 2016. Almost non-existent yung insertions nun. And I think he explained this because during their administration, they had a master plan. So nakaplanado na yan. They know what they are going to implement because these are long-term projects that you can't just do willy-nilly. They are things that you should plan ahead, right? So they had a master plan and alam nila na ganito yung gagawin nila. So very minimal yung kayang gawing insertions doon because the politicians, they won't be able to justify it.
Correct.
No? Nawala yon, unfortunately. So what we want is we go back to that, no? Number one. Number two, maging transparent yun. Kita dapat ng taong bayan yun. And number three, mag-emphasize din tayo ng nature-based solutions. No? Semento tayo ng semento for flood control, but in a lot of places in the Philippines, yung gray infrastructure is not necessarily the best solution. No? So that is for the substance. I think, in comment ko na lang ay sa process ay, all of these has to be transparent. That's why we've been calling for a transparency server so that any insertion, any realignment of the budget, any infrastructure proposal from a politician, dapat nakikita kung sino yung nagpropose, kung ano yung mga proyekto.
Tama.
So we want that entire system to be transparent. Yung sinabi ko kanina na in between the NEP and the GAA, dapat kitang-kita, documented lahat ng iyon. And then, so open the BICAM, for example. Dapat kita
Para
natin
nga
lahat.
ayon sa sinabi ng Pangulo, mahiya naman sila.